Hello and welcome to Maverick Learners. In this video, we will learn the concept of method overriding. So in the last video, we have learned the concept of method overloading, which follows the concept of Java polymorphism. And in the similar way, method overriding does the same. So method overriding and method overloading both are of similar kind. So to understand the concept of method overriding, we need to recall the concept of method overloading first. So for that, we are going to create a text document. Give the name as sample. Now let's edit it. So we will give the basic structure of a class, sample. So this is the basic structure of a class. So to recall the concept of method overloading, we need to create one more class. So I am going to create a class with the name of class simple. And inside the class, we are going to create a method with the name of meth. And it will print suppose India. Okay. In the similar way, we are going to create a method in class sample also. So here we are going to print Bharat so that it will be easier for us to distinguish which method is been called. So to implement the concept of method overloading, we need to create an object of it also. So sample is equal to write object is equal to obj and new sample, enter, and we need to call them. Now add extends simple. Okay, so class simple is inherited by class sample over here. Okay, so if you recall the concept of method overloading from the last video, then what we have discussed, the object created over here will try to find out the method called from these class simple and class sample depending upon the parameters. Okay, here both void math are of empty type. So we need to create a parameter so that it will be easier to implement. So write int a over here. And I am going to pass a parameter from here. Okay, so let's give value 5. Now let's save it and try to run this one. So for that, cmd, okay, cd java c. You can see it has been compiled successfully. Now try to run this one. Now you can see on the basis of concept of method overloading, it has printed India as we have sent a parameter from here which matches with the best possible type of the method, this one, and this is decided in the compile time. Okay, but if you remove this one, okay, and no parameters been also sent to there. Now save it and try to run this one. Now if you look, the result is Bharat. What that means? There is the usage of method overriding. So if you look into the definition of method overriding, it says that if a subclass provides the specific implementation of the methods that has been declared by its parent class, it is known as method overriding. So what that means? During runtime, this object created over here will try to find out the most latest updated value of this method. Okay, so if you look carefully, class simple is a bit older than the class sample. In the first case, the value of method was changed to print India, but after extending class simple, it has been updated to printing of Bharat. Okay, so this line represents the latest update of the method. So on the basis of concept of method overriding, the object selected to run the second method, not the first method. It was on the basis of method overriding because method overriding follows the runtime execution. Okay, now you can easily figure out the differences between method overloading and method overriding. Okay, so method overloading depends upon the parameters of the methods, while method overriding doesn't have to look after the parameters. Okay, also method overloading performs compile time execution, while method overriding performs runtime execution. And one more thing, method overloading supports to overload static method also, which means you can overload main method. While using the concept of method overriding, you cannot perform this, which means you cannot override static main method also. Okay, hope the concept of method overriding is clear to you now, and the difference between method overloading and overriding and the different conditions of implementing both of them. Okay, so this was for this video. Thank you.